Hi BMW fans, today I'm going to show you how to install a tablet on a BMW 2012 model F30. Okay, this is my F30 BMW 2012 model. Now first thing that I did was I ordered a 2 output cigarette lighter, USB output, sorry. Instead of a cigarette lighter, I put this in, and it took me a while to get the cigarette lighter out, but if you watch my other videos, you'll probably see how I did it. And I got 2 USB ports in there. Now one of them goes to my camera up here. Okay, I'll just connect that. There we go. And the other one is going to be for my tablet. Okay, there's my tablet. There's the USB port that I bought off eBay. Now, I tried this port. They reckon it charges, and you can use your USB on this USB stick, but I tried it and it doesn't. Okay, so I'm not very happy with it. But anyway, I'm not going to take it out, because if I take it out, then this hole's going to be showing. So I'm going to leave it in there. Maybe I connected it wrong, I don't know, but I doubt it. Okay, next thing you're going to need is one of these. Now, you're going to need one of these only if you're going to connect more tablets. Now, I'm going to connect 2 more tablets on the back of my headrests for my kids. So I'm going to need this so I can charge them. Next thing you're going to need is one of these. Okay. Now, let's get to it. We're going to grab this, and we're going to connect it into that USB port in there. As you can see, it's lighting up. It's working. Now, I forgot to say and tell you another thing. As you can see, there's another cable here. This is your audio cable, which will be connected to that round audio port in there. Okay. Now, I don't know if most of the BMWs have this. Some of them don't. There's an audio port there with a USB as well. That's where I connected my audio port, and the cable runs under my side, whatchamacallit, and it comes up out here, side console, and it comes out here. That's what I'm going to be connecting. So when I turn my my tablet on and listen to music or anything like that, it will go straight to my speakers in my car, and I can control it with my volume on my steering wheel, or I can control it on my dial here of my radio. Okay. Okay, since I'm working with one hand and recording with the other, I'm going to connect all these cables to my tablet, and I'll show you exactly how it looks like. Okay, I connected everything. As you can see, the audio goes into the audio. The USB, the little USB, goes into the big USB port over there, and I've got 3 more ports available. Like I said, I'm going to be putting 2 more tablets at the back of my headrest so my kids can use them. And that's about it, really. I'm just going to show you that it works. Now, the way to test it to see if it works is when you turn your car on, it should turn on. But since my car isn't on idle or anything, it's already on. I'll just pull out the USB and I'll plug it. I'll plug it back. And now I'll plug it back in. Very hard. There we go. And it turns on. Okay. And that's what should happen when you turn your car on. It should come on. Now, I've put the sleep on for about 5 minutes So when my car turns off, it'll go to sleep within 5 minutes. And after that, when I turn my car back on again, it should, the screen should come on again. Okay, just put a shit in like that, and there we go. Now I'm going to show you how it's working and how the sound sounds on the tablet, actually in the car. Okay, since I couldn't put my USB stick in there, I'm going to put my little micro card inside. It's got all the music that I want in there. So when I put it in there, I'll show you how it's working. Okay, I've put the little micro card in there. Now, what I'm going to do is, it says radio up there. So what I'm going to do is press the mode button. Change it straight away. Okay. Now, I'm just going to go into my files. SD card. Okay, there's all the music and other things that I have there, so we'll just go to the first one. Okay, now there's no sound, just turn it up. Okay, we'll press the mode again. Press the mode again. Okay, what I had to do is I had to turn the volume up on the tablet right up all the way. Now I can use the volume on my car. Okay, that's all it is. Okay, and your controls are done without any problems. Only connect it to your auxiliary port in there, and that goes under the console into the side for the volume. Okay, and that's all you have to do. No other cables need to be connected for other things that they see on YouTube and that. As you can see, I can do the volume on the radio as well. Okay, turn it down. And if I want to get out of there, just press the mode. I'm in radio mode straight away. Now I'm going to have to see about this USB. I don't know why it's not working. It's a load of bullshit that you can charge it and have a USB stick at the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, let me know how yours goes. If you have any problems, let me know. I'll return a reply as soon as possible. Thank you.